This video is going to go over 39916, which is custom scope for software to add labels include all. So our user story is, as an IT admin, I want to use the labels include all custom scope for software so that I can use labels to roll out changes gradually to all of my hosts. So this is in addition to some current scoping that we do with targeting hosts for software installers. And this is specifically a customer request. So I'm going to go ahead and show you on our Fleet UI how this works. So when you go to software and as a premium user on a specific fleet, so I'm going to go to workstations, I will add a software here. And this works for fleet maintained apps, apps or apps, and custom packages. I'm going to add 1Password. And when I'm adding 1Password, I'm going to click add software first. And we're now going to go to the edit software. We can customize the scope of this software. So specifically, I want to target some hosts. I want it to be self-service so my end users can reach the software and install it themselves. And when I go to custom, you will see this labels drop-down picker right here. So initially we only had include any and exclude any. And so those two options are hosts that have any of the selected labels we will target. And then we had exclude any, which is hosts that do not have any of the selected labels we will target. Now what we are adding is this include all option, which is hosts that have all of the selected labels we will target. So I'm going to go ahead and click this, and then notice that we cannot save, and that's because we have not selected our label that we are trying to target. So software will only be able to install on the hosts that have all of these labels included on it. So this is my dev laptop, and I am on an Intel Mac right now, and it is my Mac. So I want my host, which is my laptop, to be able to add this software using self-service. It must include all four or all three of these labels in order to be on self-service. I'm going to go ahead and click save. And now when I go to my device page and I hit refresh, I should see 1Password on there. Now I made it available for this host because it included all three of those labels. Now let me go ahead and go back there and edit that again and include a label that my host does not have. And my host does not pass a Silicon Mac because it's Intel. So I'm going to click on that and hit save. And now what you're going to see is my host does not include all of those labels, therefore it will not be targeted to install this software. So I'm going to go back to my device page and I hit refresh, and you will see that the 1Password option is immediately removed from here. If you wanted to, you can also go to edit and you could change from include all to include any. And this software will be available for install for hosts that have any of these labels. And since my Mac passes 3 out of the 4, it does have any of these labels, it should go back and show me the option to add 1Password. So I'm going to click save. And then I'm going to hit refresh. And there it is.
And he also built out adding this for GitOps. So if you are a GitOps user, you can go ahead and use the same documentation for labels include any and exclude any to set this as well.